A massive new update is unfolding at Camp Nou, and the transformation of the stadium is now reaching a completely different level. From the upper third tier to the massive structural core, the entire stadium is changing at an incredible speed, with multiple areas progressing at the same time. Huge facade sections are finally connecting together. The roof structure keeps expanding day by day, and little by little, the future home of Barcelona is starting to come alive. Today's update brings several major changes around the stadium that you definitely don't want to miss. The third tier is now approaching its final structural completion phase, with most of the prefabricated seating already installed across the curved and lateral sections. Only a few small gaps remain in the south goal corner where finishing pieces are still being positioned. The overall seating bowl of the upper level is now clearly defined, and the curvature of the stands is fully visible, showing how the stadium will look once finished. Final alignment and minor finishing works are still ongoing, but the third tier is now largely in its completed structural form. The shopping area glass frames have now been fully installed, including the doors, windows, and main entrances. Everything looks extremely neat, clean, and precise, clearly reflecting the high quality of workmanship being applied throughout the renovation. Over at the second tier, construction has entered a very advanced structural phase. Crews are currently placing iron reinforcement rods across the floor as part of the ongoing concreting process. This reinforcement is essential for strengthening the concrete and ensuring the structure can safely support massive future loads. At the same time, brickwork on the stand walls is also progressing steadily, with workers carefully building the structure piece by piece as the second tier continues taking its final shape. The compression ring continues dominating activity around the stadium. Massive steel boxes, pillars, and radial beams are now being installed one after another as cranes operate across multiple sections simultaneously. Today, workers lifted and secured both box number 24 and box number 25, marking another major milestone for the roof structure. Some of these enormous pieces weigh up to 40 tons, showing the incredible scale of the engineering involved in this phase. The pace of installation is clearly accelerating, and the upper structure of Camp Nou is beginning to look more advanced every single day. Additional cimbras are now being assembled around Gol Sur and Gol Norte to support the upcoming compression ring sections. Several support structures are already fully installed, while new bases continue appearing across the third tier. At the same time, radial beams are also arriving around the stadium, connecting different structural points and preparing the framework for the future roof system. Work is now happening simultaneously across several zones, creating non-stop activity around the entire stadium. The ceramic facade keeps transforming the appearance of Camp Nou. New blue and red lamas were installed today around the lateral facade and corner areas, completing even larger sections of the exterior design. From different perspectives, the facade changes color depending on the sunlight and viewing angle, creating a spectacular visual effect already visible from ground level. Even without the future lighting system installed, the facade now looks modern, massive, and unmistakably unique. Several super pillar sections that were unfinished just days ago are now almost fully covered, showing the incredible speed of the installation teams. Another major development today is the return of work on the lateral diamonds. Workers are once again assembling steel reinforcement structures, preparing new concrete phases, and installing the first visible skeletons around the parking facade. This area had slowed down previously, but activity has now returned strongly. The first structural frameworks are already visible, confirming that this iconic section of the project is entering a completely new phase. Inside the stadium, work continues advancing around the VIP ring and hospitality levels. Curtain wall installations with aluminum framing and glass panels are already visible across several sections, while crews continue working behind the facade on interior spaces. New internal walls and divisions are also appearing around the second tier, where future restaurants, hospitality zones, bathrooms, and premium seating areas will be located. The underground parking area in the main stand zone is already showing a stunning result and looks truly impressive. This two-level structure features electric vehicle charging points and a polished epoxy floor, giving it a bright, modern finish. The space feels wide, functional, and fully prepared for future stadium access, forming part of the stadium's growing underground city taking shape. That's all for today's update. Another incredible day of progress around Camp Nou, with major developments happening across nearly every area of the stadium. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update because the transformation is only getting started.